Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our activity 7 to find fractions equivalent to a given fraction. Objective of this activity to find fractions equivalent to a given fraction. Materials required: white drawing sheet, soft cardboard, glue, a pair of scissors, sketch pens, pen, ruler, pencil. Then method of construction. So let us find the fractions equivalent to 1 by 2. So first draw 4 rectangles of dimension 16 cm by 2 cm on the white chart paper and cut these out with the help of scissors. Fold all the strips into 2 equal parts. So next, for first unfold one of them. Color one part and paste the strip on the cardboard as shown in figure 1. So in first case, the rectangle is divided into 2 equal halves and they are colored differently. So each part is 1 by 2. Take another strip, fold it again, unfold it and color its 2 equal parts as shown in figure 2. So look at figure 2. So here we folded the rectangular sheet of paper into 2 times. That means we got 4 equal parts and each are of 1 by 4. Then paste it in on the cardboard below the first strip as shown in figure 2. Then take the third strip, fold it twice, unfold it and color its 4 equal parts as shown in figure 3. So here the total number of parts is 8 and each part is 1 by 8. Then paste it on the cardboard just below the second strip as shown in figure 3. Then continue this process for the fourth strip also and paste it on the cardboard as shown in figure 4. So each part here is 1 by 16. So these are the 4 strips. So demonstration. In all the figures, colored portion in each strip is equal. So note down the fraction represented in figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 and figure 4. For figure 1 it is 1 by 2. Then for figure 2 it is 2 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 that is 2 by 4. Then for figure 3 it is 4 parts of 1 by 8 each, that means 4 by 8. Then in fourth figure that is 8 into 1 by 16, that is 8 by 16. So what we observe in figure 1, colored portion represents the fraction 1 by 2. In figure 2, colored portion represents the fraction 2 by 4. In figure 3, the colored portion represents the fraction 4 by 8. And in figure 4, colored portion represents the fraction 8 by 16. Since colored portions of all the strips are equal, so here we conclude that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 8 by 16. So 2 by 4, 4 by 8 and 8 by 16 are the fractions equivalent of 1 by 2. So in similar way, the activity can be performed for finding equivalent fractions of 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and so on. You can take any fraction and you can find the equivalent fractions of any fraction by using this activity. Thank you.